Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming REFIN's location and ensuring you have admin rights. Mount the EFI partition and list its files. This shows whether REFInd lives under /EFI/refined or a custom folder. Once done, copy the entire EFI folder to a safe external drive. Make sure to preserve permissions. You need FBootger available and a working terminal session. If you're in a live environment, check that the system firmware allows boot order changes and that secure boot status is known. You now remove the on-disk components and firmware entries. First, unmount and safely remount the EFI partition read-write, then delete the /EFI/refined directory and any refined binaries. Next, run FBootger to list boot entries, note the number for REFInd, and remove it with FBootger delete bootnum xxxx. Once removed, check for shim or custom loader files that REFInd referenced and delete them too. This prevents orphaned loaders from reappearing. Finally, update fstab or you finish by restoring a working boot path and verifying success. If you removed REFInd that was handing off to Grub or Windows, reinstall or recreate that loader so the firmware has a valid target. Then reboot into the UEFI menu, set the desired boot entry first, and test booting. Make sure the OS loads cleanly. If something goes wrong, boot from your recovery USB, remount EFI, and restore the backup copy you made. Restoring the removed directory will often recover a broken boot quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.